So we're going to learn how to hack the box. So this is pen testing, so it's all about security. One of the main things that you've got to do with this is you've actually got to get your own invite code, because this is to sign in. So if you click just test, for example, it throws up an error that says you've got to actually hack it. So the easiest way to do this is use a piece of software called Burp Suite. So Burp Suite, if I just locate it, is here. What this does is it actually intercepts. So it actually grabs the request and generates you a code. It's free to download. The only thing is, when I tried to do this, I had no idea how to do it, how to set up Burp Suite. So I'm going to click on temporary project, click next. We're just going to go through everything and just do for default. So we're just going to start the project. But anyway, let's start with this so that sets up. So I'm going to click in here, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to inspect element. Just give it a second. There we go. Right, so all of this is the code that actually makes it up. I'm going to go to console, and you're looking for something called, or you're going to have to type something called make invite code. Oops. Make invite code, like that. And that will actually make an invite code for you. So if you drop this down, you've actually got some base 64 encrypting that you've got to change. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to 64, and we're going to try and decode this message. So if this doesn't work, there is another option. Right, that doesn't like us, so we're going to go to ROT 13. There we go. So in order to generate the invite code, make a post request to this little API. This is the actual website that we're going to make a request to. So this is where this comes in. However, there is an option on here, and you've got to work out what the actual there. So this is the interface. This is a bit that took me forever. You've got to find what your IP address is. So I'm going to go to proxy settings, connections, LAN settings. Now I'm going to have to change mine slightly. So I'm going to have to actually input this in. So 127.0.0.1, so .1, and it's 8080. And click OK. Done. So now if I go to, don't need that in my life, that's done. Click OK. If I go to this and go to intercept, so now it's starting to intercept everything. So I'm just going to turn it off for a second until I get onto where I need to be. So hack the box. Here we go. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to set it to accept it, and I'm just going to type the word test in there and sign up. That should have intercepted. It's all encrypted. Okay, so I'm back after a short break. I've now got the raw codes. I did the same thing, the only difference was that it was just taking a long time. So what I've done is I've just got my code here, it's intercepted the request, so I'm going to right click it and send it to repeater. I've now sent it to the repeater, and I've got all this random code, none of it makes sense, it's all been encrypted, and I'm going to click go. So now what I've got to do here is, do you remember that little thing on here? This little piece of code here, this API // we need to copy that bit, because that's the bit we're going to send it to, and we actually need to paste it here. Like that. So we get rid of that invite bit, I think, like that, and then click go. So then we've got success here. So all we've done is we've taken out the invite, and we've put the API and the generate on. So we've taken this code that it's told us here, this little pathway, we've actually put it and sent our request to that. So we've got success. So now we need to copy this code there. Literally needs to copy it, not on all this stuff. Let's just use Control and C. Let's just highlight it again. And it's still in format, so we need to go back to here, paste that in, and that gives us a key. So if we need to do it to, let's try the other one. Let me turn off all this stuff. Oh, didn't need that. Right, so all I've done is gone to a different repeat encoder, pasted it in, clicked encode, and this is our key. So I'm going to highlight, I'm going to copy, I'm going to go to hack the box, go to join, I'm going to paste that in here. That should let you in. There we go. And then you put all your details in here, and you are in. Congratulations, you've hacked the box. Have fun. So don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back soon with another video.